Habay Greens Machinery Manufacturing Co., Limited. Hot Dip Galvanizing Production Line, Centrifugal Galvanizing Line. Overall process demonstration. Raw material, black material. There are two forms of black material processing: shot blasting by shot blaster, oil removal and pickling. Shot blasting process of shot blaster. Shot blasting discharge. Fluxing. After passing through the dryer equipment, it reaches the galvanizing process. Pickling process plan. Black material loading. Oil removal. Pickling. Water rinsing. The entire process is completed automatically without manual intervention, ensuring safety and high efficiency. After flexing, it also reaches the galvanizing process via the dryer. Fully automatic control by robotic arm. Place into the centrifuge. The centrifuge ensures a more uniform zinc coating. Transfer to the cooling tank and passivation tank. Finally, it reaches the finished product area via the conveyor belt.